Awesome. All right, so during agentic workflows, the only two things that we really care about is token use and speed. When browser agents look at websites, they do it in a simple fashion. They look at the accessibility tree of the website, they take a snapshot that translates into markdown text, and that's interpreted by the frontier models. We've made improvements on how the process works based off of the XCI research. That resulted in up to 36% smaller snapshot sizes and up to 66% reduction in token use. This can easily translate into up to 2.5 times increased session limits for a researcher, for example. So when the models have less stuff to read, you can use more tokens for your reasoning. We made this available into Opera CLI in your Opera Neon browser. For more details on how the technology works and the improvements and how to set it up, we've included details below.